But back to business, kill the witness, and whoever else against me. Been lost up in my feelings, cause the world we living wicked. Late nights pop up back on the stores, ready to clear the business. They all fucked over me, so them bitches getting no pity. Show no mercy in my verses, kill be there time I hear the truth. I keep it cool, real and tough, social key. Breaking all the rules, and I ain't gon' lie, got a real golden heart. But it's been so abused, and I've been used until there was nothing.
Alright, gang, you know I'm drippier than the motherfucker right now. Oh, wait, y'all can't see me, but what down?
Straight up, dog.
Oh, you know what the business is, gang.
So we in here, we finna go head to a car meet. It's forcing me out the house. So boom, we got what we needed to get. Now me and Dill in the car.
It's up.
It's up. Now we heading straight to the location of the car meet. How hype are you?
Hey, we got big shit coming soon, man.
Big shit.
19, we heading to Texas.
Shit.
Niggas
We got that. Believe it or not, son, we got music and shit too. Like, music videos. I ain't been consistent, but tonight the night where we changed. Hey, we just made it, gang. Look at everybody. They outside tonight. Oh, yes, sir. Look at them. Check them out. Ooh, got the blue lights. Yeah, they all outside tonight, boy.
Hey, nigga, I tried to slide my shit yesterday.
Boy, we turned up, boy, we turned. What? They right here. Hey, son, my cousin and I was at this bit. Wait, what band went? Huh? I was trying to. Shit, Chad. Boy, we at this bitch, son. Hey, turn me on. I swear, son, we both dripped. Take some pictures. Look at my boy Kobe though. Got this shit on. We got bro and the Eminem, the little Yachty beats. Shit, y'all. Damn, I'm short as a bitch. Yeah, bro.
Hey, I like that camera, cuz.
Thank you, cuz.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shit. That boy not coming back around. I just straight thought I was finna get some more footage. Huh?
You got an Instagram page?
Yeah.
You know who I am, huh?
Shit, no.
The leader of C-Fleet.
For real?
Yeah.
Swear to God.
But y'all know each other?
Pressure shit.
I just seen he had the camera out, so I'm about to follow him. That's how it stay like this, son. You ain't know who I was when I walked up. You need to stay like that. Don't nobody need to know me.
You ain't lying. Hey, next location, we in this bit. Next location. Which one better, the blue or the black?
I broke her heart, but she be praising all the money I gave her. I hate a bitch that world me, and I made my days. bitches up in the blazer. I swear to God, this bitch fuck on my dog. I'm still
Let's go ahead and clap it up for the Goofy. Such an interesting I really thought you was gonna do it. You really had to raise my cup. Really had us. I'm gonna raise my cup. Cheers to you being the biggest Goofy. Hey, P3 outside in this bitch.
Hey, we ain't got no fucking Nick out here. Let me
What made you come out fashionably late, P3?
Huh?
What made you come out fashionably late,
Bitch,
P3?
funny, y'all. The fuck? Y'all say y'all going on deal. Y'all ain't say different locations and shit.
Real shit.
Nigga, we ain't know it first. We always get mad when we ain't know, man. It's like this our No, cuz how the fuck you gonna call me and say, son, are you gonna come?
Right.
And ain't even say we at different locations.
This shit
We
changed.
got all
We
the fucking
just
way on
switched.
there.
Man,
Y'all just on airline, dick. We just switched.
we did just get here. It officially makes 10 minutes. Yes, sir. Oh, turn me up, TJ. Turn me up, TJ. Shit, yeah. Oh shit, the dicks! Hey, the dick's out! Look at that. The dick's out! Shit.
Can we be y'all?
I don't care.
Fuck no, y'all put me in that video.
Lexus, what the fuck is you doing here?
Spin that bit, man.
My love is blind, cause you gon' hurt my vibe. I've been taking all these pills, cause I see it in your eyes. And all my niggas, we gon' slide. She know I'm slime. This lean, it got me activated. I swear to God, I made it. I say, wish me well, don't tell me how you feel. I got problems on my shoulders. My heart so cold, was fighting for your love just like some cancer. I need some answers. And they gon' lie, I fell in love with exotic dancers.